How to find if someone has blocked you on Instagram. Instagram does not notify you, but these signs are very reliable. Firstly, search their username. Open Instagram on your device and go to the search section. Now type in their username exactly what it was. If you are blocked, then their profile will not appear at all, or it appears but shows no post yet, even if they used to post. To confirm, you can check from another account. You might have multiple accounts on your device, so go to your another account and find the friend's account. If the profile appears from another account but not from yours, you are blocked. You can also try to find them on popular posts. They might have commented on some post, so try to search for their comment. If you find old interactions, open it and tap their username. If you are blocked, then it will say user not found, or their profile picture disappears, or post disappear. Additionally, also check your following list. Open your following list and search their name. If they do not appear, then you are blocked. That's all for today. Thank you.